So, I mean, the whole film was trying to figure out where does strength lie.
What I found really interesting in it was the role of dads in it. You know, everybody's got a really terrible father.
Well, I think that one of the things that we learned was, you know, by talking to the drag queens, they all tended to have very high drama relationships with their fathers. It's a very macho society, and so if a young boy is effeminate, is, you know, visibly homosexual, they would or wanted to dress and as a female and perform, or if they were transgender, it causes real problems there. It's almost an affront to people's masculinity. And so, I mean, the whole film was trying to figure out where does strength lie? Does strength lie in effeminacy, or does it lie in masculinity, or is it unique to either or? Can it be in both, you know, and finding out who is the strong person in the film.
The tagline is, you know, find your voice, but I know it's a little bit of a hokey question, but did you, you know, did this film help you find your voice in some way?
You know, I'd come to the end of a large, maybe 2 or 3 years of work, and I'd kind of run out of things to say. I didn't have anything to say anymore, so I stopped. Yeah. And I thought, maybe I won't write anymore. Maybe that's me done. And then out of that came this film.
I kind of felt that I'd maybe lost something a bit as a filmmaker in some way, and this film kind of in a way let me rediscover my voice as a filmmaker, kind of going back to the first couple of films I'd made.